Hi, guys. Welcome to another episode of the Design Your Success podcast. Today, I would love to talk to you about something that might feel like the elephant in the room for many of us. How do you teach others and tell others to reach great results if your clients don't reach those results consistently? And even worse, perhaps, if you are not there yet consistently. It's a vulnerable question, and it's one that I've asked myself more than once. And so today I'm going to answer it in full transparency because what I'm about to share is something I wish more business mentors, more coaches would say out loud. You have probably seen the scene in the movie When Harry Met Sally, the one moment where Meg Ryan fakes the big moment in the middle of the diner. And the woman at the next table says, "I'll have what she's having." Clients say that to me a lot. And that's not because I fake anything. And it's not because I pretend to have it all figured out. They say it because what I have is clarity, groundedness, a deep sense of alignment. And what I don't do, I don't hustle anymore. I don't sell my soul to strategies that don't feel like me. I don't try to prove my worth with, complexity or pricing gymnastics. They want that clarity, they want that calm, they want that congruence. And even if I'm still refining the next level of income, because I am still that person that they want to go to. Now, let me back up. I've been in business for over 15 years. And for a long time, I did what most of us do. I tried to follow the formulas. I tried to be the good student and I tried to make it work, even when it didn't feel right. And the result was that I looked successful on the outside, but on the inside, I was drained. Things were working a bit, but they didn't feel like me. And I kept wondering, and it was, a struggle and a journey. I was wondering, what's wrong with me? Why does this feel so hard when I kind of know that I'm good at what I do? So, enter human design. When I discovered that I am a 1-3 emotional generator with the right angle cross of planning, it was like I could finally exhale. I realized I wasn't weird, that I wasn't broken, and I wasn't, out of place with the feeling of, it doesn't feel right. It feels icky. It feels uncomfortable. The thing what I realized when I got to know my human design was I wasn't designed to force. I wasn't designed to push. I wasn't meant to lead with formulas. I was here to calibrate through lived experience. So no, I don't teach people how to hit 20,000 euro months through hustle, high-stress launches, or pressuring themselves into productivity. What I teach is this: how to make business feel like home, how to align your offers and message to your natural rhythm, how to trust your internal waves and sacral yes, and how to attract clients through resonance and not performance. How to simplify without shrinking. Because what happens when those things click, income follows, clients come, and the business finally fits. That's what I've done for myself, and I'm still doing that. but I'm also helping my clients to do this too. And not because I have it all figured out, but because I'm walking my talk. And I'm walking it deeply. I can tell you that. We don't need more coaches who pretend to have it all together. We don't need more polished blueprints or sales scripts that feel like acting. I've tried them all. And it feels icky, it feels not real, and it feels out of alignment. What we need are leaders who are real. We need leaders who speak from the messy middle, who say, here's what's working, and here's what I'm still learning, and here's what I'll never do again. And that's what makes me trustworthy to my people. That's what makes my work land with the right people. So if you have been holding back from showing up, creating, selling, because you think, who am I to say this? Who am I to teach this? Let this episode be your permission slip. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to give people the perfect results. All you can do is give your best. And all you need to do is be clear, congruent, and honest about the journey. So if this resonates and you are ready to attract clients without burning yourself out, if you are interested in how human design can unlock consistent income and clean alignment, then I would love to invite you to my summer reset. 3 days to align, simplify, and thrive in the rest of 2025. In 3 sessions, 3 times 1 hour, we will release what's not you, we will align with your design, and we will create a great plan for the remainder of 2025. So you can shift into a business that finally feels like yours. It's not about pretending, it's not about performing, it's about coming home to the truth of how you are designed to lead, to create, and to attract. So thanks for being here with me today. If this episode sparked something, let me know. Tag me, DM me, send a message. Because your voice, your message, your way of doing business, it matters. So let's lead from clarity, let's create from alignment, and let's rise together. I'll see you on the next episode or at the summer reset. Have a good one.